Hi everyone, welcome to another property showcase from propertycozy.com. I am Tavia and I will be your property guide for today. Please remember to like, share, subscribe and hit the notification bell to be notified when a new property is available. Let's get into it. Are you seeking a 5-bedroom ensuite house? This fixer-upper in Malcolms Bay, Black River, is minutes from the town center and is waiting for you. But it needs some TLC. This 5,900 square feet, spacious, split-level home has a main bedroom with his and hers walk-in closets, along with 4 additional bedrooms, living room, washroom, and a powder room. The sea is within walking distance. Guys, it's time to see this house. Please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is Jamaican 36 million or US $234,000. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.